morning, children. As I told you that I will send a video of an activity, and it is related to the chapter number 16, the little red hen. Okay, so in that story, what we heard that red hen, little red hen, what she does. She went to a field, and she found some wheat grains there, है ना? And then she went to her friends, that will you come with me, I want to sow them, I want to plant them in the field, will you come with me to help me? And all her friends, like who were her friends, dog, cat and duck, they three of them told her that no, we won't come, someone says I am sick, someone says I am too busy, and so, so they don't come with her. And so she said, okay, then I will do it my own. And she sowed that seeds, and then the crops grown. And then what she does, when the reaping time comes, she again went to her friends, and she asked again that will you come with me to reap that crop? So again her friends denied that no, we won't come, we cannot come. So again she said, okay, so I will go, I will do it. Then she cut that crop, and she take out some grains from the plants. And what she thinks, she thinks that now I should go to the flour mill to grind these seeds and take out the flour. Okay, then what she does, again she went to her friends, she asked again, will you come with me to grind these grains? Again her friends said, no, we will not come. Okay, I will do it, she said. Then she goes to the flour mill, and she grind those grains and take out the flour. Then she came back to home. Then she made a dough with that flour, and then she baked a bread, okay, bread loaf. And then she again went to her friends. Hello friends, will you help me to eat this bread? All those friends were ready to eat that. Yes, we will eat, I also want to eat, everybody says. But that time little red hen said, no, I will not give you a single piece of this bread, because all hard work I have done alone. So I will only eat this. Okay. So the activity is, I will show you some wheat grains today. So please wait. I will show it to you. And you have to see that activity very carefully. Okay. Fine. And then you have to tell your mama to give ingredients to make dough. Okay. So children, these are wheat grains. You must have seen at your home, है ना? जब पापा या मम्मा जाते हैं ग्राइंडिंग मिल पे, wheat को ले जाते हैं फ्लावर बनाने के लिए. So this is wheat grains. Okay, these are the wheat grains. Fine. Now I will show you when it grinded, it convert into the flour. Flour means atta. Okay, this is flour. Okay, now I will make a dough out of it. Dough means गूंधा हुआ जो आटा होता है, जिससे मम्मा उसके बॉल्स बना के रोलिंग पिन पे रोल करके चपाती बनाती है. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस I am going to make a dough out of this flour. For that I will take water. I have taken water in this pot. Okay, now I am making a small dig in this flour, and then I will put little bit water and I will start making dough. इसको धीरे धीरे हम मिक्स करते जाएंगे. I'll mix it properly and और एक साथ सारा पानी नहीं डालेंगे, ठीक है. We will add water slowly and in a little amount. See, in this way we can make a soft dough. Okay, I hope you all understand how to make a dough out of it. अब मम्मा की हेल्प करनी है सबको घर पे. Okay, so we will make a soft dough. This is called dough. Okay, when we want to make a chapati, we have to make a ball. मम्मा ऐसे बॉल बनाती हैं and then she keep this ball onto flat surface and with the help of rolling pin she makes a chapati, paratha, whatever. Okay, now I will show you what is bread loaf and what are the bread slices. Okay, so wait a minute. So children, this is called loaf. It is not. It is a complete bread, and when we cut it, we will get the slice. Here you can see these are the slices. When we cut that bread loaf, we get the slices. So I hope you all understand by this video how to we can make a bread, how to knead a dough, how to get the flour. Okay, thank you.